Hi, Andrew Keel here, and I wanted to talk about common area improvements you can do. You know, this is right next to our mailboxes here, and this is a bollard, and it's really easy to paint these yellow. You can get the paint at Home Depot or somewhere, but you can see that this is protecting our mailboxes. It's already been hit by a car here. Really important to have these near any important utility infrastructure that's coming out of the ground, like a backflow preventer, or near mailboxes or signage, because unfortunately, you know, people nowadays are on their phones a lot when they're driving, and these will protect your CapEx invested significantly for nominal costs. So these are called bollards. They're made out of concrete, very common in self-storage to protect the buildings, and also in mobile home parks to protect different items around your park. Thanks for watching.